Hello everyone, my name is Chen Ying. I will enter a postgraduate course in September 2020, and I'm going to show you how to find information about my major at University of Leeds. My major is Fashion, Enterprise and Society, which is taught by School of Design and Business School. Okay, let's go. We can use the Google search engine, and first of all, we should type the name of University of Leeds. And click on here. We find the course search and click on. We need to type in the name of course. And choose Masters. Click on Search. Click on here. Okay, as you can see, this is my major page, and there are 4 parts, like Overview, Course Content, Applying Fees and Funding, Career Opportunities. Let's start with Overview. Okay, it introduces the purpose of teaching and what skills students can learn. According to the task, we can know students can get a lot of skill in here, and then students can view the fashion industry from a broader perspective and be better prepared to be fashion business innovator. And on the other hand, the school will provide a great number of facilities and research, such as well-equipped studio, purpose-built computer clusters, and we can look up information in Marks Spencer Company archive. And as you can see, there is a video. You can watch it and listen to the feeling to former students in this major. Okay, let's move on the second part. This template shows us what kind of course we are going to study. As you can see, there are compulsory modules and optional modules. If you want to get more information, you can click here. This is a list of postgraduate courses. You can see students should study full-time for 12 months and get 108 credits. Plus, you need to satisfy the University of Leeds language requirement. For example, you should get an IELTS score of 6.5 overall with not than 6.0 in all components. And you can find core module here. Core modules are provided by School of Design, like fashion marketing, fashion future, and so on. In addition, you can choose elective courses according to your interests. You can look at here, and if you want to get more information, you can click on it. More information about courses are available here, like teaching methods, assessment type, reading list, and so on. Okay, now we should go back part 3. Here are the admission requirements. As I said before, you should meet English language requirements. And how to apply? Students should prepare some materials like a copy of your degree, certificate, and personal statement, evidence your English language qualifications. And you can see here, maybe the program manager will invite you to participate in an interview. Okay, let's look at how much the fee. The UK students should pay £12,000 and international students need pay £24,000. However, if you are very talented, you can get financial support by government our university. And when you graduate, what kind of job will you get? You can see here. Maybe you can join the magazine, fashion companies, and create your own business. And you can continue study, got PhD degree, and so on. Okay, that's all I want to share with you. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for your listening.